Constitutional disqualification. Unsound mind declared by a competent court. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guidelines of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines or rules or laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the constitutional disqualification, unsound mind, cite that declaration by a competent court is must to consider any person as of unsound mind. Constitutional disqualifications. Basic disqualifications mentioned in the Constitution are: for membership of Parliament, Article 102, for membership of state legislatures, Article 191, holding an office of profit under the government, being of unsoundness of mind, being an undischarged insolvent, non-citizenship of India or acknowledgement of allegiance or adherence to a foreign state, any other disqualification prescribed by Parliament. Disqualification. Unsound mind. Article 102(11)(b) of Constitution deals with the disqualification, unsound mind declared by competent court in case of membership for Lok Sabha. Article 191(11)(b) of Constitution deals with the disqualification, unsound mind declared by competent court in case of membership for Vidhan Sabha. A person is disqualified if he is of unsound mind, and such person should be so declared by a competent court under the Mental Health Care Act 2017. The Supreme Court has observed in ECI versus Bajrang Bahadur Singh and others that a person must be of unsound mind and stand so declared by the competent court. It is only on the happening of both the events that such a person becomes disqualified. A mere allegation that a person is of unsound mind is not sufficient to disqualify him for a membership, but such person should stand so declared by a competent court under the Mental Health Care Act 2017. Even a certificate by a doctor or by a medical board that a person is of unsound mind will not by itself disqualify that person, but what is needed is a declaration by a competent court to that effect. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this video, you can contact through the mail address as shown on the screen. For more election related material, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.